Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to build a website using Canva for free. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a no-cost way to build a beautiful website, I got you. Let's dive in. Once you're logged into your Canva account, you want to go and click on Create a Design, and the search bar is going to pop up. You can either type in website, or if you see the actual website icon, you can just click on that and it will take you to the plain Canva for you to start. Always remember to name all of your designs. To title your website, it's going to be at the top, the little circle of your initials of your name. Right there, you're going to put the title of your website. This is pretty much going to help improve the visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. So anyone that's searching for your specific topic will find your website. So this is something that they call SEO, search engine optimization. So you want to make sure that you're using keywords on your title. To select the template, you want to go to design. You can type in on the search bar whatever your website is about. For example, you can put hair website and see what comes up. If you have something that has to do with fitness, in my case, I am going to use digital products, a digital website. I'm going to put digital marketing to see what comes up. And I really like this one here with the laptop, and it's already pre-made. It has 7 pages, which is awesome. You can always delete pages. You can customize them how you want. So as you can see here, I'm going to change my background because you know I'm a girly girl and I like pink. I want to select a picture, so I'm just going to click on the picture that I like, and you can just click and drag and drop onto the actual photo that's already there, that's pre-made. You can change it up if you don't like that one. So this one, I'm going to change it to a different one. Same thing, just click on the image and drag and drop. If you want to center the photo, all you have to do is click on the actual photo and drag it up, drag it down. But this photo is not really a good pick for this example. However, we're just going to leave it as is, just for the sake of this video, so I can show you furthermore what else you can do with Canva and your website. You can play around with your images. I'm going to move my image from the right, from the left to the right, and then the text, I'm going to move it from the right to the left, and then I'm going to change the actual wording to something that has to do with my particular business, which is going to be digital marketing. Let's say that I am teaching people how to grow their business doing digital marketing. So obviously I'm going to title my website something along those lines to let people know what my website is about. I will be speeding through parts of this video so that way you guys don't have to sit through me typing. I'm a slow typer sometimes and I make a lot of errors. I'm going to be playing around with this a little bit, but I want to also add a small text. So I'm going to go to text and add a text box. But also I wanted to show you a really cool feature that Canva has, that let's say you want to add a button to your website that people can click on. You can also put in your own link. So like that, it'll take them to a landing page, or to, let's say you want to sell a course, or if you're doing affiliate marketing. It's an awesome tool that you can use on Canva for free. So to get the button, all you have to do is click on elements. Then on the search bar, you can type in button, and then you can click on the click button, and then you can choose from whatever button you like. I'm going to pick this cute pink one. Now I want to add some text on the button so that people can know what to do or what is it for. So I'm just going to add a heading by going to text and clicking on add a heading. If people are interested in learning how to make money with digital marketing, once they see this button, they're going to know they're going to have to click on it. So I'm going to type in learn how, so that whoever's interested will click the button to learn how to earn money with digital marketing. You can animate your website by going to the top right where it says animate, and you can pick from whatever anime you want. So they have the general where it says breathe, draft. This way, your website doesn't look boring. When people go to your website, it looks cool. You see the letterings coming in and out. You can slide them up. You can make like open up or close in. You just play with it to see what you like. In order to group the heading to your button, all you have to do is left click and hit group. That way it's grouped together and it doesn't move separately if you put any type of anime. I wanted to add a button. I went into elements, to the search bar, typed in arrow, searched the arrow that I wanted. This way I can guide people to go and click on the actual button. You will be surprised, sometimes people do need guidance. A lot of people get confused, they're not tech savvy, they get overwhelmed. So the more simple you can make your website, the better. Don't like go crazy. You don't need so much. The most important thing is to let people know what your website is about, and that is pretty much it. You don't have to go crazy trying to be too fancy. A good title, your basic information, things of that sort. I want to make a call to action, and I'm going to add another text heading, and I'm going to type in start today just to motivate whoever comes into my website to start today. So I'm just making some final touches to my home page. Remember, if you ever mess up, you have the undo button on the top left, which makes life so much easier because I'm constantly messing stuff up, as you can see. I like how things are turning out on my home page. So let's go to the second page of the website, which is going to be for you to put in a little bit of an overview of your company or your business or the vision that you have. There is no reason for you to get stuck and not know what to do with your website. If you're having any issues, go to Chat GPT. You can just type in and ask Chat GPT to help you. And Chat GPT will give you some awesome, great answers that you can use. I told Chat GPT how I'm building a website about digital marketing, and I wanted to briefly explain my company as I teach people how to build their online digital marketing business. I wasn't satisfied with the answer that ChatGPT gave me, so I told ChatGPT to rewrite it with my fun-loving voice and to write it as me, and it did just that. Of course, you don't have to copy it word for word, but this will give you an idea if you're stuck and you can brainstorm and put it into your own words. For this video, I am just going to copy and paste what ChatGPT gave me because I think it's pretty good. Once I copy and paste, just gonna mess around with the text a little bit, stretch it out so that it can fit the page in the center, and then I just want to give it a quick preview to see how my page is looking so far, and I think it's looking pretty good. However, I want to just make a quick change. This is how it looks on the mobile. As you can see, I'm just going to select a different background, something that's more captivating. In elements, I'm going to type up digital marketing in the search bar to see what comes up. I'm going to select videos because I want something that moves, and like I said, I want something captivating. So I'm going to play around to see which one I like the most. So this one here looks pretty cool. It reminds me of something digital. It looks futuristic. This is how it would look on a mobile, and then this is how it would look on the actual website, laptop, or iPad. And I think it's nice, but I'm going to try a few more before I make my final decision so you can see how easy it is to try this out. My website has been built halfway in less than 10 minutes, I'd say. With Canva and the help of ChatGPT, you can create your website in an hour or less. It's so easy. So I think this one is nice. It reminds me of a digital marketing type of feel, but you can't really read the letters, and I don't want to put something behind it because it's going to take away from the image. I'm going to see if I can make it bold, but it looks like nothing is working out, so I'm just going to try to see if I can find something else. After searching for a few, I finally think I found one that goes with the theme of my page. Right click the image to set it to your background and hit set background. And so far, this is how my website is looking. I think it's coming out pretty dope. Although I think I can improve the wording on the website because it looks like it's not readable. You can always change the font and go deeper, but I don't want to take too much time in this. I just want to show you how to actually put a link in the button. This is going to be the next step now. So you want to grab your link and you want to go to the button. Once you copy your link, you're going to click on the button and you're going to right click and go to link. This little box is going to come up and you're going to paste your link there. Then click done. Let's say that you want to make everything that people click on your website a link. You can do that. The same step. You're going to click on that wording or whatever element you have. You're going to right click, go to link, paste the link. It's that simple. Moving on to the next page. This page you can tell your potential customers about what services you provide. I'm gonna add a photo. You can add a video. You can leave it as is. Whatever you want to do, it's your website. I'm just giving a little example here. Here I want to tell them a little bit of what I do or what I can help them out with, what services I provide, and things like that. For example, I can say I'll dive into your business to implement the perfect strategies or help you start a new business from the ground up, something like that. At the bottom, I can describe the actual services that I do provide, and then at the bottom, again, I can list them out so it's easy for them to see. It doesn't have to be complicated, like I said. Try to simplify everything as much as you can. If you get stuck, if you need help, your best friend is Chat GPT. Go to Chat GPT. You can be so specific and ask Chat GPT to help you, and Chat GPT will give you so much that you would be surprised. And after a while, Chat GPT is gonna get to know you if you continue to use it, and it would make everything flow for you. So use Chat GPT. This is 2025. If you're not using Chat GPT, I don't know what you're doing with your life, because Chat GPT AI is the future. Let's say I got stuck and I'm just gonna go over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me a list of email strategies and just to list them out. Don't explain them. This way I can just copy and paste them and I can cut short my time. I don't have to go crazy trying to type in everything word by word, making mistakes and things of that sort. So you can see I'm grabbing from the list that ChatGPT gave me and I'm just copying and pasting to my website. If you've been meaning to start your website and you don't know when to start, this video is designed for you. Go to Canva, start your account. If you have your account ready, why aren't you starting? You don't need to figure things out like what am I going to make my website about. Just do it. At least get the skills and it will come to you. You have to get your skills up. Stop being afraid. No one is born knowing anything, so just give it a try. If you try it, let me know in the comment section how it worked out for you and if you was able to publish your website. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I will get in the comment section as soon as possible. If you're having self-doubt about if your titles make sense or not, like I said before, go into ChatGPT. You can copy and paste what you have and tell ChatGPT like, hey, rewrite this for my digital marketing, make this better, things like that. And ChatGPT is gonna do a great job, like I told you. I'm gonna change that image because it doesn't look good with my website. I'm gonna go and pick something that is more digital. So I'm gonna go back to elements and type in to see what I can find. So there you go. That looks better. Moving on to the next page here, you're gonna put your featured work. So if you have experience in something, you can showcase it for people to see. that you know what you're talking about and they'll have more confidence in working with you or buying from you. I customized this particular page by replacing all of the images that were there before with digital marketing field type of images. Then I want to tell people a little bit about what I can do for them so I can entice them to want to learn if they're interested in wanting to learn digital marketing. So by the end of this course, I'll equip you with the skills and strategies to become a true digital marketing expert, ready to drive real results and success online. And I want them to be confident that they will be able to run their digital marketing business like a pro. Now, moving on to the next page, I am almost pretty much satisfied how everything is looking, just fixing up the last things here, the title, making sure that everything is centered where I want it. Now, for this page, I want to add a video. So I'm gonna get rid of a lot of the stuff here so that I can embed my video. Once I grab the link for the video that I want to embed here, I went to YouTube and I copied the actual link. Then I'm going to come back into Canva, go to elements, type in video, and then I'm going to select from one of these elements so that I can actually embed my YouTube video on here on my website. If anyone wants to watch it and they click on it, it's going to be taken to my YouTube video. You want to make sure that you select an image. I am selecting the actual thumbnail that I created for the video, and then you're going to follow the same step that you did for the other button and everything else that you wanted to link. You're going to right click, you're going to select the link little icon, then you're going to paste the link that you have, and that is it. When someone goes into your website and they click on your video, it's going to take them to your actual video for them to watch, or whatever video. It doesn't have to be on YouTube. The thing is that you need your link. Make sure you have your link. Once you connect your link, it should work perfectly fine how you want it. Of course, I'm going to want to write out some text for this page on my website. So I'm just going to type in a little bit of what comes to mind without making it perfect, because I'm going to go back into ChatGPT and I'm going to be like, hey ChatGPT, rewrite this or make this better. And of course, ChatGPT is going to hook me up and write it better. I'm just going to copy and paste it once I'm done. And of course, I'm going to want to add some text onto this specific page on my website, because I want people to know what this video will be about. And I'm just going to type in a little bit about what the video is about without worrying about if it's perfect or not, because I'm going to go back into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to rewrite this for me. And of course, ChatGPT is going to hook me up. So all I have to do is copy and paste or make any changes to my liking. Now I'm going to make some changes to the actual text, and I'm also going to change the background because I want everything to look uniform. You don't want your page to look a little crazy. I mean, it's up to you. However, I think you want to color coordinate as much as you can. Make sure that the texts are looking the same, like the font throughout your website, so that it looks good. It doesn't look too sloppy. Once I'm done with this page, the next page is going to be about testimonials. If you have anyone that you've worked with and you have any testimonials, you want to put that on that page. So here I'm just working with, or actually I'm just making a little bit of changes here and there because I want this to look better. I don't really like the texting on the side, and I also wanted to give it some movement like the other pages. So I think I'm just going to move this texting to either the top of the page or the bottom, because I don't really like it there on the side. I think it looks better here. So let's see. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to just move it to the top, make some changes, make it a little smaller so that it can look better. And then once I'm done with this page here, we're going to move on to the next, and I'm going to just keep on changing the colors of my actual website so that it can look uniform. Like I said before, I want everything to match, or pick a color similar. So I'm just gonna make my colors pink and gray. I think those colors look nice together. Okay, so here on the last page, you want to make sure that this is the part where you put your email and stuff like that. And now I just want to make sure that everything is looking good. Here I noticed that I didn't put what I wanted to put before, which was we'll never share your information. This is just something that I think is a good idea to disclose so that people feel comfortable wanting to leave their email with you, especially being a fine print. So they're gonna look like, what does it say there? And they'll be like, oh, okay, cool. They'll be like, that's fine. I'll just leave my email. And then I'm just gonna keep making changes here because I want my page to have a little bit of movement. Let's check again, see how everything's looking. Everything's looking good. So now I wanna actually click on the actual links to see if the links work. So yeah, it looks like it's working. It's taking me to the links that I wanted to take people to. So yep, all of them are working. Remember, I put a bunch of links throughout the page. So it looks like everything's working. So I just quickly want to talk about System.io. So System.io is the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. Start getting familiar with this platform for free. They also have a course, and I will be leaving everything linked in the description, so make sure to go check it out. You can definitely start up your business with $0. You can get 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails sent, sales funnels, blogs, and so much more. It looks like everything is working perfectly fine. I just want to double check to make sure that the video is good, make sure that it looks good on mobile and it looks good on a computer, desktop, etc. So it looks like the video is perfectly fine. The link is good. It's looking good on mobile. And now it is time to publish our website. Let's go. To publish your website, you're going to go to the top right, click on Publish Website. If you have your own domain, you can add it now. If not, Canva will give you your own website URL, so you don't have to worry about that. Then click on Publish Website. Then it will be preparing your website design, and that is it. Your website is now live. How cool is that, guys? It's awesome, right? If you found this video informative or if it was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up so that other people can see it. Also, it will help my channel grow, and I would gladly appreciate it. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.